Hello and welcome to Open House. I'm Phil Horrender and this is Phil Shaw. We're happy to have you here tonight. We're excited to showcase the work your son or daughter is doing and the classroom that they work in.
Phil Horner and I absolutely love our jobs, and we take pride in providing a safe, healthy, and encouraging environment for them to work in. As we've mentioned in our newsletters, we love variety. We teach obviously in the co-teach model with two of us in each of our classes, and we utilize this through a variation of teaching methods.
That's right. We love having our students learn history through group work, presentations, notes, and the occasional lecture or two. And we always verify their learning by practicing what they've learned through study games on the smartboard, as well as graded assessments.
That's right, and we don't like lecturing more than their age in minutes, or else we start to lose their focus and the inevitable happens and history becomes boring. And that's exactly what we want to avoid, because history, as we know, isn't boring. It's exciting and necessary to understand where we're going as a society. Plus, who doesn't like a good story?
So please feel free to walk around the classroom, ask us questions, and envision yourself where your child works every day with us.
We look forward to communicating with you more throughout the year and ultimately getting your son or daughter through the New York State Regents exam in their sophomore year with mastery levels of success. Thank you for stopping in, and we hope you and your child have a great year in Global.